everyone, welcome to Daily Celebrity News. As the dust settles on the Amber Heard vs. Johnny Depp libel trial, so many questions still hang in the air. Some have raised major concerns about what the result means for the #MeToo movement and what it really says about the way sexual and domestic violence victims are treated by society. It also raises questions about the different verdicts between the courts in the US and the UK and what that means for the two countries' justice systems. Some will no doubt be overjoyed by the result, others dismayed. But while the wider implications of the ruling are there for the world to ponder over, other questions are still being asked about some of the more tangible points that have caused confusion. One of the big outcomes of the trial was that both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp were awarded damages. However, while Depp got $10 million, £8 million, in compensatory damages and $5 million, £4 million, in punitive damages, later reduced to $350,000, Heard was awarded $2 million, £1.6 million, in compensatory damages, quite some distance from the $100 million, £80 million, she had initially countersued her ex-husband for. Yet the differences between these two types of awards aren't immediately obvious, and neither is what they say about the result of the trial. To clear things up, Brett Turnbull, partner at Turnbull Holcomb in Lemoyne, told The Mirror, compensatory damages are intended to compensate a victim of a tort for things such as medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, emotional distress, mental anguish, loss of full enjoyment of life, and many others. Punitive damages, the type only Depp won, have a very distinct and narrow purpose. Mr. Turnbull explained, punishment. The damage amount for punishment is normally instructed as the appropriate amount to reflect the reprehensibility of the conduct, deter similar future conduct, and to deter others from similar conduct. So while the court found that both parties had undergone suffering due to events that warranted compensation, only Heard was actively punished. But despite Depp being the winner in the Fairfax trial, he lost his libel lawsuit in the UK against the Sun newspaper in 2020, which covered much of the same ground and evidence. Confusion over how the results of the Depp vs. Heard case could be different in the UK and the US has raised concerns over the consistency of justice systems. Former California Judge Halim Donidina, a partner at Worksman Jackson law firm, said that differences in trials on either side of the pond often comes down to who is responsible for finding the evidence to prove a point one way or another. Some have wondered whether the opposing verdicts can be explained by the differences in British and American law. A closer examination reveals that in a legal sense, the results we have seen are counterintuitive, he said. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. See you in the next video.